Hi, today I'm producing my ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. First, we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Just to change ringtone volume, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Also, you can make it by the second way by use the volume buttons, but first be sure that in volume button function you have selected ringtone, not media. And now just by press to the up or to the down volume button, we can also change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.